Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. Today we are going to cook baked spicy minced lamb with stew. No, start again.
Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. Today we're going to try our first recipe from the Gousto box, which is baked spicy minced lamb stew with yogurt and dill. There it is.
Num num num.
Okay, now must apologise because we had a slight problem when we filmed this and we lost the beginning of the video. It was corrupted. So you will join the action where we have the mince, the garlic and the onion in a bowl on top of the hob. And that would be, we'll go through it here, 2 garlic cloves crushed, 3/4 of an onion just cut into quarters. Don't chop it up, just cut it into quarters and put 3 of those quarters in. And with the mince, which I can't see how much mince we had to put in.
It was just a pack of mince.
It's just a pack of mince. Does it say how much it was?
No.
No, yes it does. 250 grams of mince. So 250 grams, 3/4 of an onion, and 2 crushed cloves of garlic.
You had to keep a bit separate of the onion.
Yeah, we have to keep it a little bit separate. But now you'll join the footage. Hopefully, this will tie in and no one will see it.
No one's going to notice.
No one will notice anything.
Okay.
You back on?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that, people. I think the battery went dead on the other camera, so we're on the phone.
We are.
So what do we do? Break this up?
Okay. Cook for 2 minutes, breaking the mince into large chunks with a wooden spoon until very lightly brown.
Wooden spoon. Gousto spoon. Okay. Well, let's leave that for the moment. I just washed the knife because I have the meat on it.
Boil half a kettle.
Boil half a kettle. Can't I just boil the kettle and use half?
Well, you can do.
Right. Shall we leave it for a few minutes? Because that's going to take a few minutes, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it takes about, because that's cooked for 2 minutes.
The onions are not going to break up very well, are they, in 2
Well,
minutes?
it's not saying to break the onions up.
Okay. Okay.
Did you realise I'm going to have a lot of fun trying to pronounce all for this?
I know, that's why I gave it to you.
I thought it might be. Not daft, is he, folks?
I'm not daft. Beer time.
What's in the glass, Mark?
It's lemonade.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's a funny colour.
It's a funny colour lemonade.
Is it called Black Sheep or something?
You might be.
Yeah. Slurple, slurple.
Very nice black sheep.
It smells like garlic.
Isn't it? That's good. Let's get in there. So you put the kettle on, do we?
Yeah.
Okay, kettle on.
Excuse me.
Oh, is this cooked all over my food? I've got to eat that.
I'm right over here, I'm miles away. Sitting in my little chair. Right. When the kettle's boiled,
Kettle won't take long, so I'll be
hear
fine.
me shout. I'm a little teapot for me. Thought you were going to do the actions there.
No,
No actions.
I don't know them. Kettle's boiled.
Okay. So, stir in the beef stock mix.
Beef stock mix. So it must be in this packet now. 3072.
3072.
Recipe. 3072.
Brilliant.
This bag for this recipe. Okay, and what's in the bag? What's in the bag?
In the bag.
There we go. Oh, okay, we've got some of them. We've got one of them. Got some of that. That's it. It's all in the bag. That's it. Okay, so what do we got stirring?
Stir in the beef stock mix.
Beef stock mix. This one. Okay. Doesn't seem to be a lot of beef stock mix. And the onions don't seem to be breaking up that well.
It doesn't say to break the onions up.
I know, but
How
I'm the
many
chef.
times?
I'm the chef. So
Do you want to go by the recipe or not? Arguing with the HitchUps.
domestic, everybody. Okay, so this what is? Oh, this is not what I thought it was. It's a powder. That's better. Okay.
Yeah.
Do I need to stir this?
It says stir in the beef stock you've mixed.
Right, let's wait.
I don't really think it matters, even though
Oh,
you're gammy-handed, so it doesn't matter.
Something my gambling hand.
Were you left-handed?
Oh, that smells nice.
You're a lefty.
I know. All the best people are lefties.
Right.
Oh, actually, that smells really nice.
Is it light brown yet?
I don't know. Is it light brown?
I can't see.
Have a look.
No.
No. Okay. So you don't put the water in yet, I presume.
Well, it's not asking for the water yet.
That smells really nice. Can you
It
smell
does.
it?
You can smell the garlic. Nom nom nom. Can't wait for tea.
They're starting to colour the mince, actually.
That's what we want.
Oh, that's. Oh, I can't wait till we get to these.
Because you know I'm not going to be able to pronounce them.
Exactly. I can't.
Yeah. How's it going?
It looks. It's coming on. You don't have to cook them in, so you just change the colour,
Just,
doesn't it?
yeah, it just says very lightly browned.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Now, with this next bit, folks, if I pronounce it wrong, please don't shout at me.
No, just go to her channel and give her a thumbs down.
No, don't you dare. Go to my channel and sub and like and subscribe and everything else you want to do and be nice to me.
Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider it. It doesn't cost anything. And we would appreciate it.
We would. Okay, how's it going?
It's looking like it's going brown. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we do now?
So, it now says add the chopped tomatoes.
Sure, I thought it was beans and...
Beans and sausage you thought they were?
Yeah. Well, it looks more like a... What they call it? I can't think what they call it. It's just...
Chopped tomatoes?
Yeah, but it's fine. It's like that sauce that you use to make... I was going to say pasanda, but that's an Indian curry, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it's not pasanda.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean. They don't, but we know what you mean.
If anyone out there knows what I mean, put it in the comments. Okay.
Right, now, add in the Razzle Hanout.
Is that the Razzle Hanout?
Hanout.
That one?
That's one.
All of it?
Well, that's what it says.
Okay. Okay. Razzle's in. We've got a bit of razzle dazzle.
Also add the harassa paste.
Oh, this is the one.
Now it says if you don't like the heat,
Stay out of the kitchen.
No, it says only add a bit if go easy if you don't like the heat. As this is Mark cooking, and guess we're going for heat. Okay. My gosh, and you can smell the heat of that.
Do I stir it now?
Well, doesn't say, just says and 300 to 500 ml of boiled water.
Okay, I'll put the boiled water in. I'll put 300 ml in because it looks quite wet actually.
Well, maybe it's supposed to be because it's going to go in the oven, isn't it?
Yeah. Or do you want 400 in? Go halfway.
Go halfway.
If it's too wet, it's your fault.
Okay, bring to the boil over a high heat.
Okay, switch it up.
And stir everything together.
That does look a bit watery now.
Yeah, but it's got a cook for 40 minutes yet.
Okay, so the heat's on, it's turning up.
Right, when it started boiling, bubbling.
It'll be a little while yet.
What else you got left on the board?
I have got some red wine vinegar and
very nice.
and an onion, which I think we need to slice. And I've got naan bread, which will need to be warmed up about 5 minutes before the end.
Yeah.
And we have some dill and parsley.
Beautiful. Everything
And
is
the yogurt.
fresh, guys. So, which is nice.
I've never thought about using one of these on the hob.
No. Oh, sorry, you got my finger in it there.
This is the first time I think we've done a proper cooking video, isn't it?
It is.
Apart
You've
from
never really
barbecue.
done proper cooking before, have you?
No, I'm not a proper cooker. According to my daughter, I'm a dirty cooker.
Yeah, we need to get you a HitchUpAndTow penny.
I have got a...
You have, yeah.
I can't remember what's on it now. It's in the caravan.
Mark's something
Barbecue
or other.
bar or something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, enough of him. Back to the food.
That's starting to bubble.
Bit.
That's starting to bubble.
That's right. Okay. So it says, stir everything together. Put the dish in the oven for 40 minutes or until thickened and thoroughly cooked.
Okay.
This is your spicy minced lamb stew. Wow. If I could tell you what that smells like. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Okay, so switch the top off now.
That's ready to go in the oven.
Yeah, just
Okie dokie. Oh, the heat.
I'll just put this in.
The heat.
If I can get it in. And that goes in
Hello, can you go?
40 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, well it's what, 22 now, about 20 past.
Right, now it
Now.
says pour, I missed that then, all I got is your belly. Pour half all of the red wine vinegar.
Half or all?
Well, it says half all, so I'm guessing it's up to you. How vinegary do you want to go?
We might as well put it all in because we're not going to, well, I don't know, we're going to use the one.
Yeah, stick it all in.
Alright, so what do we do?
Pour the red wine vinegar over the sliced onion and set aside to pickle.
So we need to slice this, yeah?
Yeah.
How thick?
If cooking for 2 people, you can save the rest of the red wine vinegar for another recipe.
So really, only half then. Yep.
And then you can use this time to clear up, wash your dishes,
What dishes?
and set your table. Have a cup of tea or a lager and simply chill.
So we'll just put half of this in.
Let's see if I can get it closer.
That's enough, isn't it?
I suppose you have to make sure. You have to make sure it's covered, won't you? Otherwise, well, it's still not covered anyway. But
Well,
you can just have to keep stirring it, mixing it up.
Yeah, I'll just mix it about a bit.
Yeah.
We're just leaving it, aren't we, to pickle, basically. I'll
like
give it
a
another
bit of
stir in a
pickle.
little bit.
Okay. And then we have to come back in 40 minutes. So, if you like what you see,
Give us a thumbs up.
and if you'd like Mark to cook again, then please leave a comment. And we'll see you in 40 minutes, guys.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
Okay, these are the onions we put in red wine vinegar, so they're still pickling. This is for the top. This is the dill and parsley, which we're just going to put over the top. I'm going to cut it up. It does say tear it up, but I'm just going to cut it up. This is a stew, so it's a very hearty meal, so it's a bit rough and ready. Oh, I can smell those already. that will be sprinkled over the top, and then we have the yogurt. Okay, now we've got the naan breads. I'm going to slide them in the oven because it's 5 minutes before everything should be cooked. Well, there we go. I must say we made a slight mistake here. Adding the water, it said 300 ml, then in brackets 500 ml. So we wasn't quite sure how much water, so we went in the middle and added 400 ml. Reading the recipe card later, we realised that the 500 ml was for 4 people, 200 ml was if you're doing a recipe for 2. So it's a little bit wet, but it's done. So, oops, sorry, there we go. There is the stew. I've got to apologise here, my camera people have disappeared, so I will one bowl, two, this one will go into the other bowl. Okay. Does actually look quite nice. I must admit, it smells absolutely gorgeous. I can't scrape the bits out the bottom, so I might have to put that in my bowl later because I've only got one hand because I'm holding the camera. Okay, so there we go. Now, what are we going to put on? Onions. We need to put some of these onions on the top. Or do we need to put the yogurt on first? Ooh. Let's put the yogurt on first. Okay, so on the first one, let's put some yogurt. Dollop some yogurt on. And dollop some yogurt on. Ooh, lovely. There we go, there's some yogurt and yogurt. Then, onions. I have washed my hands. Put a few onions on. 2 onions. And then we have got a load of parsley and dill. This is really hard with one hand. I do appreciate all you cooks out there who try to do this on your own.